Thunder doesn't want to face voice reveal now, but this is his first time playing an OB. But he played some easy OB. Yeah, he played some easy OB. He like playing Forsaken. Yeah, he like playing Forsaken, but modded.
Ready. Gusto ko din ano eh.
And he like playing other game.
Uy, na-voice
I don't know what game.
Na-voice reveal ako.
And Ink Game, he played that game. Guys, try Ink Game. But anyways, guys, we're creating a goober. Can you support us? So Thunder is the mid goober, and we're finding Xander crossing. Ano ulit mag-Ishman kapatid?
Sibling. Wala na, nag-ano na ako eh.
Okay lang. So hit no?
Hindi ka nag-aano Hindi ka nag-aano dictionary.
Cause I don't. Anyways, guys, we're Tagalog. I'm just gonna Tagalog cause it's so hard to English. I don't know how to say kapatid in but Thunder sibling Fei will be the worst goober. I'll be the best goober. Anyways, guys, subscribe on my channel. I don't know what the name is. No, I mean Noah is the name. I played a lot of OB. BTW, guys, I'm a speedrunner. Yeah. I beat Thunder in a lot of games. I beat Thunder when he played the games.
Ay, na-fall. Okay lang, Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower.
Anyways,
Alang, ang duya, may ice. Di ba natutunaw yon?
I is now.
Patay na ako.
We'll be recording sometimes with the goobers, but sometimes we're not complete because Thunder sibling is not here. Yeah, it's so sad. But Thunder is so happy for the in the same time because Thunder sibling is a
Ano?
girl. Pasaway
Ano?
na girl.
Oo, pasaway. May ladder pala dito. Wow, I am deaf.
So he fall, guys, because he's a noob.
Hindi kaya.
Yes,
Hindi lang marunong.
Anyways, Aliyah is the name of the third goober that sucks.
Y'all know.
Y'all know he sucks.
Ay.
Anyways, in the meantime, we're creating a goober. Please support us, guys.
Nasabi mo na nga yun eh.
Help us reach 100K. Yeah.
Oh.
100K subscribers. And I want 100K subscribers.
Ay, nahulog ako. Na-distracted ako sa'yo.
Because I need 100K subscribers, so I cannot go to the school now. Yeah. I don't want to go to school.
You don't want to go to school.
So we will just be a YouTuber instead.
Tama ka dyan.
Please,
Ba't ka ba
guys,
sunod na
like and
sunod na dalawa?
subscribe.
Why can't subscribe?
It's so hard to record video, and you all not subscribe. Please
Meron.
subscribe, brother.
Oh, I almost fall.
100K before is a pro.
Hindi ako pro. Hindi ako marunong mag-hop eh.
Wait lang, damit lang po ko. Wait lang.
Please, hindi na ako mahulog.
What? Ano kayo?
Pansit eh. Wow, ang bilis naman to. Ano to? 0?
Ano bibili?
Parang electric pan lang eh.
5?
Ay, nahulog pa ako. Nahulog na nga ako.
Falta mo kasi baka
Ala, ang bagal mo! Mas mabilis pa sa'yo pagong eh. Ay, ako pagong. Nasar ko sa...
You two are so...
Sila eh.
It sounds like just mango food.
Ay, hindi kaya. Malakas lang boses ko.
Hindi pa.
Tarzan. Ang lag ko. McDonald Wi-Fi.
Kulang eh, pupunhan.
Yan, jump.
Ouch.
Oh, yan.
Guys, BTW ang pro than Thunder.
Siyempre, marunong ka mag-wallap. Ako hindi eh. Alam ko lang, wallap, hindi horizontal.
Basta may
Yung parang maggagento ka. Maggaganon.
tapon mo I know that. I'm doing it in a video. Samsung.
Hala! Oh no! Ow! Dude, blue dude's coming. Oh no. Bakit ito pa? Parang yung yung noob, mas magaling pa sa akin maglaro eh. Oh, almost. Sige, magre-rage quit to. Bro, blue dude's coming for ya. Ay, ayoko na. Nawala ulit. Blue dude's coming for ya. Blue dude's coming for ya. Blue dude's coming for ya. Mas marunong pa ata to eh. Ay, hindi nga. Bisa mo, pancake. Pwede pala mayroong flavor yung pancake. Parang strawberry. Ako gusto ko chocolate eh. Chocolate. Oy! Ala. Ala, ito pa.
Ay, maupo ka nga doon.
Akala ko moon melon fruit. Moon melon fruit eh. Ay! Duya. Naghirapan ko yun eh. Tsaka papahulugin na ako ng game. 100 nga. Wala. Wala akong ginagawa. Ang bagal. Kapag ganun, ang bilis ang bagal. Parang turtle. Ay, ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ala, akala kayo may robot? Hindi kayo. Isa lang paa mo eh. Isa lang paa mo eh. Sige, kapag tumatakbo ka, you will trip and fall. Sorry. Bro, wealth is not wealth. Ano yan? Wow! Mas easy pa ata to eh. Go. Ito, Obi. Wow, mas easy nga. Easy nga. Wow. Disappearing. Ang duya nitong game. Akala ko one hit lang ako nun eh. One hit. Ayan. Ayan, disappearing floors. Fluorescent lamp. Kasi kapag nahulog ako, kasalanan mo yan. Hindi ko naman kailangan mag-exercise eh. Yan, stairs. Yan. 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 Wow! Troller Saint! Pero walang troller. Ako magiging troll. Bala may butas doon. Dude, blue dudes coming for ya. Ay, hindi ka marunong. Ganyan lang yan, oh. Oh. Kalbo. Kalbo, eh.
Ano ginawa niyo sa school kanina?
Ito shadow ko, oh. Shadow clown jutsu.
Nagbasa?
Ayoko na. Ayoko na dyan.
Baka nag-color?
Oh, anong shop mo? Ala, pang babae lang. Ikaw, ang shop mo? Ganyan din.
Na?
Mas core block, headless.
Tapos, ano?
Wait lang, tingnan ko yung chat. May nakaha